Most VPN options these days are paid, so finding free VPNs for iPhone isn't an easy task. So today I have 3 best VPN for iPhone options that will work reliably and cost nothing at all. The first option I recommend is Atlas VPN. This free VPN app is funded by the profits from their premium version, so it carries all the same security measures. Modern encryption, a proper kill switch to protect you from IP leaks, and of course, a no logs policy. But the free VPN app design is very beginner focused. The interface is probably one of the most simplistic I have ever seen, and even with some cute animations. Plus, you can use Atlas VPN on however many devices you want. Although free VPNs are generally much slower than their premium competition, it looks like Atlas didn't get the memo. Their speed retention is great, even with the free version, mostly thanks to the WireGuard protocol. In simple words, you won't feel a difference whether you're browsing with a VPN on or off. But all free VPNs for iPhone have their limit. So right now, Atlas VPN does cut you off when you use up to 5 gigabytes of data within a month and restricts available locations to 3. So you get 2 cities in the US and 1 in the Netherlands. This free VPN on iPhone also won't help you if you want to watch some foreign streaming libraries. But the premium Atlas VPN version is one of the best streaming VPN choices. Not only does it have special servers for that, it's also one of the cheapest VPNs on the market. The paid plan will also shake off the data limit shackles and expand the available server locations. And of course, it'll add a bunch of features. Honestly, Atlas VPN premium capabilities are equal to the other more widely known best VPN options of today. Anyway, you can try out the free version, but if you do want to upgrade, then make sure to use the discount code to get the best price. This also comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee, which you can use as your free trial to see if the premium is worth it. But Atlas VPN isn't the only option you have. Another best free VPN for iPhone is Proton VPN. In terms of security practices, it matches Atlas VPN, but this best VPN option has a lot of different benefits. For example, it's completely open source, which means anybody with a bit of coding knowledge can check their security and alert Proton about any flaws. On the other more practical side though, Proton VPN has unlimited bandwidth. Yeah, no data limit at all. It's more flexible in terms of locations as well, adding Japan into the mix. Unfortunately, it doesn't work if you want to see what's up on Netflix Japan. You'll have to get the premium version for that. Now, the app itself is the same as what you get with the paid plan, at least visually. It has more of a techie vibe compared to Atlas VPN, but it's pretty easy to use. Still, in terms of capabilities, as you'd expect, there's a list of limitations. 1, the free VPN speeds are much slower, mostly because the servers are almost always crowded. That's mainly why I recommend Atlas VPN first. Number 2, you can only use the free account on 1 device only. Yeah, the paid plan does increase that to 10 simultaneous connections, and it amps up the speeds as well due to a much higher server count. But, well, you have to pay for that. So to be fair, it's not the cheapest best VPN choice. Okay, so let's get back to the best free VPNs for iPhone list and talk about Windscribe. This free VPN has an ace up its sleeve. It's got more free server locations than any other provider on this list. It covers 11 countries to be exact. Windscribe won't let you down in terms of security either. That's because it uses the WireGuard protocol, which comes with the latest encryption. But I did find the free version to be a bit slow and often unstable, which is a bit of a deal breaker for me. When it comes to the app itself, you won't need much time to learn how to use a free VPN like Windscribe. Although the interface is a bit different from others, it's minimalistic, so it's pretty easy to get the hang of it. But here's the kicker. Windscribe actually works with some streaming sometimes. Yeah, it's very rare, but if you're persistent enough, you might just get lucky. But let's not forget about the limitations. So if you download the free VPN version of Windscribe, you'll get a 2 GB monthly data limit. You can get more bandwidth if you verify your email or send a tweet about the service. So, at least that's cool. Still, a bunch of their security features and ad blocking capabilities are reserved for the paid users, making the free Windscribe app feel a bit bare. That said, the premium version of Windscribe is very cheap, so it's worth checking out. Okay, listen, if you want a premium VPN experience and you don't want to pay for it, I do have a solution for you as well. You can use free trials and money-back guarantees, and although this has time limits, you will get the full premium VPN experience. So you can do this with any premium version of the free VPNs for iPhone that I already mentioned. But I'd recommend going for the very best VPN candidates in this case and see what they can do. Like NordVPN and Surfshark would both be great choices. Just be careful because you might not want to cancel the subscription once you've tried them. These two have unmatched speeds. They allow seamless streaming and torrenting and features like ad blockers and even malware scanners. So while these VPNs are not perfect by any means, both of them are the most popular VPN choices right now, and deservingly so. So I highly recommend trying them out. Just if you decide to keep them for longer, don't forget to use a discount because without it, these can get pretty pricey. Okay, since I mentioned quite a few options, let's quickly break them down. AtlasVPN free VPN version is for you if you don't use very much data. Plus, you'll be pleasantly surprised by how fast it is. The VPN free version of Proton will be slower, but it won't limit your data, while Windscribe will be the perfect choice if you want to have more than 3 VPN locations. Let me know which one you chose, and please leave a like and a subscribe if this video was helpful. Thanks for watching.